Hello, aspiring architects and design enthusiasts! It's been a while since our last tutorial, and I'm thrilled to reconnect with you. Over the past few years, I've mastered Archicad and am eager to share my knowledge. Introducing our comprehensive 8-week course. Archicad Essentials, from beginner to construction-ready drawings. This program will guide you from foundational concepts to creating professional-grade architectural designs ready for submission. The course features interactive online sessions via Zoom, each lasting 2 hours. Our learning approach blends hands-on practice, in-depth theoretical instruction, and project-based learning. You'll gain practical experience working on projects from inception to completion. Enrollment is now open. To join, click the link in the description below. Complete the registration form and submit the enrollment fee of 10,000 pesos. Payments can be made via GCash or bank transfer, with detailed instructions provided in the form. I'm genuinely excited to embark on this learning journey with you. Whether you're starting from scratch or refining your skills, this course is tailored to guide you every step of the way. Stay tuned for more tutorials, tips, and updates. Let's turn your architectural visions into reality.